You can now Venmo the government to help pay off the national debt. Here's how. Imagine being able to tap a few buttons on your phone to help reduce the national debt. That's exactly what the federal government is allowing citizens to do through Venmo. This groundbreaking move marks a significant step towards integrating modern digital payment methods into government services. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that while convenient, these small contributions might not make a substantial impact on the massive national debt figure of $36 trillion. Newsweek reached out to the Treasury Department for more details on this initiative. The context surrounding this decision is rooted in the ongoing debate about deficit spending and fiscal policy in the United States. As the national debt continues to climb, the Treasury has been exploring various ways to encourage voluntary payments from citizens to help reduce the public debt. This includes embracing digital payment platforms like Venmo and PayPal. This shift towards digital-first government services is particularly aimed at engaging younger tech-savvy Americans, a demographic that the current administration is eager to connect with. By offering Venmo as a payment option, the government is showing that it understands and respects the preferences of its constituents, making it easier for people to interact with civic systems online. The Bureau of the Fiscal Service, part of the U.S. Department of the Treasury, has officially allowed individuals to make voluntary contributions towards reducing the national debt. These gifts can be made through various U.S. government platforms, including Pay.gov, where payments can be submitted in the form of money, outstanding government obligations, or even intangible personal property. Following discussions in May, the Treasury expanded the available payment methods to include modern digital tools like Venmo and PayPal, alongside more traditional options such as credit cards and direct bank transfers. To make a contribution, individuals simply need to visit the Pay.gov portal and choose their preferred payment method. Once there, they can complete the necessary forms and submit their donations using Venmo, allowing for seamless real-time payments directly from their mobile devices. It's worth noting that while this initiative is promising, the scale of these voluntary contributions remains relatively small. According to the Treasury's monthly reports, in fiscal year 2022, Americans donated a total of $180,000, $310.32 towards reducing the national debt through such means. The Venmo Help Center provides guidance on using their platform for government payments, explaining that Venmo direct deposit accounts can be used to receive various types of government funds, including unemployment benefits and tax refunds. This feature allows for both recurring and one-time payments, enhancing the convenience for users. Raiden Slaw, Regional Vice President of Catalyst Payments, commented on this development, stating, "Offering Venmo as a payment option demonstrates that governments recognize and honor these preferences, making it simpler for citizens to engage with civic systems online." Looking ahead, the increasing acceptance of mobile payment methods by public agencies could signify a broader trend towards the digitalization of government services, potentially leading to greater transparency in public finance. However, this raises important questions. How significant can these contributions truly be in addressing the national debt? And are there better ways to engage citizens in fiscal responsibility? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Does this initiative make you more inclined to contribute to reducing the national debt? Or do you think there are more effective methods? Why Americans are Venmoing the government while health insurance gets cut. National debt explained. Bloomberg connects decision makers to dynamic networks of information, people, and ideas, delivering business and financial insights globally. For customers, Bloomberg offers remote login access anywhere, software updates, contract management, and account details. Support is available at +1 Americas, +44 EMEA, and +65 Asia Pacific. The company provides about, careers, inclusion, tech, philanthropy, sustainability, and beta values. Communications features press announcements, contacts, and social media accounts. Products include Bloomberg Terminal, data, trading, risk, compliance, indices, law, tax, government, and NEF. Media services cover markets, technology, pursuits, politics, opinion, Business Week, live events, radio, and television. Media distribution and advertising are also offered. Jessica Carl, Bloomberg opinion columnist, highlights the federal government's plan to reduce U.S. health insurance costs. This is part of broader trends affecting national debt. Sign up for Bloomberg Opinion Today newsletter at https://www.bloomberg.com/account/newsletters, UTM Medium email, UTM source, UTM style, UTM campaign view.